Text is rotating around me. Such amazing! It's so easy. You can make this in minutes. For text rotation, we will use After Effects. Make a new project and import a background with dimensions 1920 by 1080. Drag and drop and make a new composition in software as usual. Now we will import text design in AI file and will use as footage option and press OK. Click on Text Layer and click on right mouse button. Create and select Create Shapes from Vector Layer. Text will convert into drawing or vector format. Now we will go to Effects and Preset Panel and search Cylinder or CC Cylinder. Drag into Timeline, and its effects control detail will be active on left side. If you see on screen, our text design has been converted into round shape just like cylinder. On Effect Control Tray, first option is Radius Size. We will increase the size of ring by help of Radius option. Secondly, we will set the rotation of ring by X-axis, Y-axis, and Z. Now we will make initial keyframe points and final keyframe points for rotation. We will rotate the ring on Y-axis. A wonderful option here is the light setting. We can change the shades and direction of the light. I make some changes in light height and light direction. See on screen, my yellow words become more bright. Now in Lash, we will import a picture of tower and will to try to make rotation around this building. It is difficult to think, but it is easy to do. If you see on screen, ring of words is upper side the tower. Its look unreal. Now we'll make a duplicate layer of this ring. You can copy-paste the layer. Now we will go to Setting in Effect Control Tray. Here is option Render. If click on Render, here are full, outside and inside. We will set lower layer as inside render and upper will be outside. Here it should be noted that the tower layer will be placed between the two ring layers. See, now ring is rotating around the tower. Similarly, as we animated by setting the rotation to the base point and end point, we can set the ring position from top to bottom. Hope you will like our video. Keep in touch with us for more videos. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon also. Thanks for watching.